morning, bakers, and welcome to Marion's Cakes and Crafts. Today we're making homemade ice cream in a bag. The first ingredient, we have vanilla extract, sugar, rock salt, milk, whipping cream. You can use plain milk or chocolate milk. I want to make my ice cream chocolate milk. For the last thing, we need 2 medium bags and 1 big bag. Half a cup of whipping cream. Chocolate milk. And do a little more chocolate flavor. Perfect. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Okay. Then you stir it. Now we're going to put it in our bag. Ugh. And zip this up really, really, really tight. Now, I'm just going to roll this top up so we can put it in our other bag. Oh, this is huge. This is hard. Really hard. Salt. A lot of salt. Half a cup of salt. Rock salt. This is so much salt. That's how much rock salt. The rock salt is for the ice not to melt as quickly, and it just helps keep it colder. So, let's zip that up. Now we shake it up. Let's dance with it. Woo! Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetops. Then you'll fall, but the baby will catch. I don't know how you sing it at all. I've been shaking for a long time. I'm gonna get some more ice and some more salt. Lots and lots and lots. Come on, salt, I need you to make ice cream. A little bit more ice, salt. Ugh. Shake it up. Shake it up! I've been shaking for a long time. I'm just gonna kind of check. Oh, it's getting there. It's really. Jump up and down as high as you can. It's hard with this bag fast. Now I'm gonna check my ice cream. Oh, I hope it's done. I can almost taste it in my mouth. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Yeah, it's ice cream. Got it. Oh, this is ice cream. Come on. Oh, this is ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream for ice cream. Oh, it's ice cream. Ice cream, it's ice cream for ice cream. Okay, let me eat this. Now, gonna eat this. That is so good. Wow. think the vanilla helped the chocolate a lot. Oh, that's ice cream. Oh, that's so good. Making ice cream was home was actually really fun. My favorite part was when you got to shake it. See you next time on Marion's Cakes and Crafts.